Alright, so this is a Momo shift knob. It's a two-piece shift knob, so the top part is the knob, and the bottom part covers up the set screws for it. So my first step was to unthread the bottom part, like this. I got it started with some vice grips and a cloth. As you can see, I made the mistake of not using the cloth first, and so I scratched the bottom part pretty bad. So I definitely advise to do that if you don't want to damage your shift knob. So we're going to unscrew this bottom piece. So then you're going to remove the set screw using the Allen key. So this is just the smallest one in the set I have here. So now that I have all three set screws out, I can get to removing the shift knob. So it just slides right off. And I take the bottom part off as well. And it is ready for my new shift knob. Alright, so now we got the old shift knob off, I can put the new one on. So this is going to be pretty simple, just screw it on. So now it's over 9,000.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right! Cut it!
Ooh.